Hey friends, this is Jake here. Thanks again for coming to see tip number 6 and how to make a friend. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you another tip, which is go dancing. If there's one thing my friends and family and my colleagues all know is I love to dance. And if you're not really the type to go out when it comes to the nightlife, that's okay too. You don't have to. There's a bunch of other videos that I've made that might be more beneficial for you in this process. Dancing has a way of freeing yourself, it's expression, it's a way of kind of letting go, giving yourself a bit of freedom. It can be very helpful in a lot of stressful moments when you just want to go and let go and enjoy yourself. And if dancing's not your thing, going to these places where they do offer dancing, they also offer things like dinner or a pool table or even more like adult gaming or something of that sort. You never really know unless you go out and try. And there are people out there who do go by themselves to these nightlife places to meet people. If you see a group of people dancing and they're enjoying themselves and it looks like other people are joining in too, go for it. You have nothing to lose but your time being alone, which is a good thing. It's gonna feel risky, absolutely, but the risk might be worth it. Depending on where you live, there will be different levels of COVID restrictions. It depends on the time you're watching this video and what's going on within your state and within your city regarding how they're handling COVID. Right now, there is a lot of outdoor dining experiences where they'll have a live band, a DJ, or even someone who's just singing a cappella. You never really know, but these events can be nearby depending on the city where you live. So get out there, dance, listen to music, get to know people. You never really know unless you just put yourself out there for a moment. And as I've always said before, if this video is not really resonating with you, that's okay. I still have other videos that I've made before this, and I'll be making plenty after this, and it will be inside of my playlist labeled Social Relationships. And a little bonus tip I want to share with you in how to communicate with people, especially when there's loud music going on. There's been plenty of times where I've met awesome people and even friends who I have today at a club where we were able to dance to the same song, and I was able to share with them where I first heard it. They shared with me because they loved it so much. So start with the environment. Let them know, I love this song, or I can't stand this song, or where did you first hear this, or do you come here often? Again, put the spotlight on them for a moment. Be curious in your questions and see where it goes from there. You may or may not be able to exchange information, but if they do tell you they go there pretty often, you might run into them again, which is a good thing, because the more that you run into people that you become familiar with, the more likely they are to stick around with you and you with them. So there you have it. There's another tip for you on how to make a friend is go dancing, or maybe even going to places where music is playing. And if you want to dance, great. If not, that's okay. Sit on the side. You're going to meet people there too. Thanks again for watching, and remember, take care.